Again, as further we go into these qualities that I'm talking about in a repairman, the less and less they will fill those needs as you look around. And I probably will mention this over many times that I've been talking on videos, and maybe not, maybe you haven't heard it, but we haven't had the right birth rate for 50 years. In other words, there are more people dying than are being born for a long time. And that's pretty much around the world. That being said, there are less people to repair just because there's not as many people out there. Secondly, the people out there that are repairmen, there's no school you go to for that. You could be a plumber, and guess what? A plumber, a professional plumber, generally is going to make a lot of money to make up for all the money he spent on tools and all the money he's got on his truck and his business. So he's pulling up, he's making $200, maybe more. Doesn't necessarily tell you that up front. Again, if that plumbing company is going to be your repair, do you want to start off with somebody who is snappy with you and don't really care? Probably not. You're going to be irritated with the whole situation. But if you need to get the water from flowing off your floor, you might put up with it.